Hello children, today I am here to teach you a new topic in EVS. Our topic for today is birds. So tell me children, have you all seen birds flying in the sky? Yes? How do the birds fly? Can you fly like a bird? No. Why do you know? Because birds have wings to fly. Birds fly with the help of their wings. Birds have two wings. They fly with their wings. But children, you do not have wings, so you cannot fly like a bird. And birds also have one beak to eat their food. Birds have two eyes to see around them. And they have two legs to walk. There are some birds which can fly very high, and there are some birds which cannot fly very high. There are some birds which cannot fly at all. Today we will learn the name of the different type of birds. So let's see. First, we will learn about the name of the birds that can fly very high. Let's see those birds. This is a sparrow. Have you all seen a sparrow, children? No. You can see a sparrow on your windows in the morning. It's a small bird. But children, it can fly very high. This is an owl. An owl can even fly very high. An owl can see at night also. This is a thrush. It is also a small bird. But children, this bird can sing very sweetly. Thrush has a very melodious voice. So this bird's name is thrush. This is an eagle. It is a big bird and it has very sharp eyes. It can see small objects from very high. It flies very high. It can fly up to the clouds. This is a crow. It is a black color bird. It helps to keep our surroundings clean. So this bird is a crow. This is a pigeon. You can see pigeons everywhere. It usually comes and sits on your window. So this is a pigeon. This is a flamingo. Flamingo is a tall bird. It has long legs. And children, flamingo is pink in color. It can fly very high. This is a parrot. Parrot is green in color. It has red beak. Parrots like to eat chilies, and parrots can also fly very high. This is a vulture. It is a big bird. It can fly very high. And children, a vulture likes to eat dead animals. Now children, we will learn the name of a few birds that cannot fly very high. This is a duck. Have you all seen a duck, children? Where does a duck live? It lives in water. And can it fly up to the sky? No. A duck cannot fly very high. It flies very little. Okay children, it likes to stay in the pond, but it cannot fly very high. This bird is a duck. This is a hen. And children, a hen also cannot fly very high. It flies only to little heights. This is a peacock. Peacock is our national bird, and a peacock also cannot fly very high. Now children, Let us learn the name of a few birds that cannot fly at all. Do you see this bird, children? This is an ostrich. It is the tallest bird. It is a very heavy bird, so it cannot fly at all. This is a penguin. It is found in cold places. A penguin likes to eat fish, but a penguin cannot fly at all. This is a kiwi. We find a kiwi in New Zealand. A kiwi cannot fly at all. And do you know, children, we also have a fruit named kiwi, which is of the same color as a kiwi bird. Now do you understand, children, that there are different kinds of birds? Some birds can fly very high, some birds cannot fly very high, and some birds cannot fly at all.